Hey guys, up here at the Ferguson Manassas. Looking forward to meeting with Dave the plumber and hearing his take on the P-free and the drain punch and how it's helped his business and helped his customers. And stay tuned.
Retreated it.
Zero?
No, we haven't.
And how we did it was we used a pump-up sprayer because we were doing flat pancake units in the ceiling, which you can't get to the drains. So the nice little flexible ends on them and a piece of 3/8 hose made it perfect just to pump it up. Get none on you.
And you were using the P-free on that?
We were using the drain punch.
Drain punch on that for the AC condensate lines?
But when I get one that's already backed up with calcium in it, especially when you're going down between floors to the T's where the next one ties in, you always have a buildup there. The P-free just releases all that calcium that build up nicely. And it doesn't leave a bad odor in the unit. People aren't complaining about, oh, this thing smells like the other sulfuric based drain cleaners and stuff that other people use that are actually very dangerous.
So in your business, sir, you see a product like these products as a way to help you become more efficient?
Absolutely, and not only that, but it also adds value because after you clean that drain out, then you go the extra step and you put something like this in there just to get all that debris and stuff out of there. So not only are you completing the job, you're adding extra value to the customer by, number one, showing them that you're using a product that's going to make it to where it doesn't back up anymore, because sometimes when you snake it, you might just go through, might not clear out all of the debris, but when you put this in there, it completely gets rid of all of it, and works really well.
And
I'm very pleased with it.
Happy customers are sticky customers,
That's
right?
right. Yes, sir.
That's awesome.
Well, also in commercial, when we're doing multi-tiers, well, the guy on the next floor doesn't maintain his unit. Well, guess what? We just cleaned his line out too. So
Wow.
from the T in, that's his problem. But now the main stack isn't going to continue backing up.
Well, and that's more value for the property.
For the
for the
owners of
HOA,
the property
correct.
too,
Yep.
and less liability.
Yep, absolutely.
Is a big part of your business building maintenance?
There's a lot of that. We have probably, I'd say, about 10 buildings that we serve on a regular basis that go from 4 stories to 17 stories.
Wow.
So, yeah, we deal with that on a regular basis.
I have a number of bar owners that are buying the P-free off my website because their urinals would give them issues.
Absolutely.
And Dave, I caught him with the biscuit. Did you have instance to use the P-free in a urinal, Dave?
Yeah, doggone it, y'all cost me a jet job because I put it in there and it worked real well. Before I could get the jetter out, the people saw it and didn't have to jet it because it was open.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's very nice to meet you guys, and I thank you. And,
Thank you for your time as well.
and helping me spread the word to plumbers around the country. It's awesome.
Thank you.